Hey guys, welcome back. I'm very excited to be able to bring you my Stitch Fix today. So if you guys had watched my last video, it was my April Ipsy video. I had mentioned that we were having some delays with Stitch Fix due to COVID related issues. I did finally get it, obviously, as it's sitting right here in my lap. It got delayed 2 or 3 times, I don't remember, but they did go ahead and give us like a heads up. If you do the daily style quiz, it said like, hey, we're experiencing some delays. They're also doing this thing right now where it's like, you just hold on to those clothes for a good long while because you don't want to accidentally spread COVID through this clothing subscription service. So I very much highly appreciate it. For those of you who may not be aware, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription style service. Basically, you take a little style quiz about what you like, what you don't like, you put in your measurements. You get set up with a stylist who curates a box for you every month of 5 different items. You can select price ranges. For me, I pretty much am like, just give me the cheapest stuff possible. One of the reasons why I decided to go ahead and do Stitch Fix was because I was actually I still am a subscriber of Nadine West, and I have been for like 5 years now. And I decided it was time to kind of like elevate my game a little bit, maybe do something that was a little bit more mature, just because I feel like a lot of the clothes Nadine West sends me aren't necessarily for mature adults, if you will. Nothing against them, just not quite my aesthetic at the moment. I do really like their jewelry, and every now and then they do give me a piece that I really enjoy, which is why I still do Nadine West, even though I have contemplated canceling them. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what we got. I did go ahead and cut the box to save ourselves some time. Okay, so it looks like it's a little bit of a smaller bundle, but let's go ahead and dive on into this. Oh, hello. And they give you this cool little style card that shows how they suggest they style all of the clothes that they have sent you. If you don't like anything that they send you, you can send it back at no charge. They do give you a prepaid shipping envelope. And then if something comes in a size that just doesn't quite work for you, which I totally get, I am long-waisted, I have some thick hips, I've had to do that a time before, I'm a little curvy. So yeah, you can switch things out for other sizes as long as they have them in stock. But let's go ahead and read this note. It says, Happy Stitch Day. It's not Stitch Day, Fix Day. Happy Fix Day, Amanda. I hope this fix finds you well and brings you a smile. I'm so sorry I was unable to find a moto jacket this time. Pause. For those of you who have been regularly watching this, I've been on the quest for a moto jacket because like 2 or 3 boxes ago, they said one of the tops would actually pair really well with a moto jacket, and I'm like, I don't have one of those. So that's just something that was like, it's been on my list. Like, these are things I look out for. If you find something that works, great. Honestly, I'm low-key wondering if they're like, there's no way she's gonna pay money for a moto jacket, because I always, when you get done with your I cannot speak today. When you get done with your Stitch Fix, you review all the items, and you'll give feedback on whether or not you think the price point was worth it for each single item. And usually I'm like, it could be cheaper. And that just says a lot about me. So I don't know. Part of me is like, maybe she doesn't deserve a moto jacket because we can't find anything that's within her price range, or maybe they truly don't have anything in stock that fits my style parameters. It is spring. Moto jackets are, I feel like more of a winter thing. So maybe eventually I'll get a moto jacket. I don't know. Anyways, back to our note. Let's see. I know you were really wanting one, but I'm hoping you'll love the other items I've included in your box today. You mentioned wanting something to go with the lace halter blouse from your January fix, so I included these amazing dark wash jeans from Can that will pair lovely with the blouse. Slip on a pair of heels for an effortless outfit. Spring is here, so I chose the Kaylee jumpsuit that's perfect for the season. You can wear it casually with a jean jacket and sandals, or style it with wedges and heels for a night out. Enjoy trying everything on, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Stylishly yours, Monique. So Monique is the same stylist I had for last month's box, and I did end up keeping everything. I know I said I wasn't going to, but last month was my birthday, and I knew I was going to be getting some gift cards as birthday presents, so this was kind of my treat yourself, keep everything birthday box. So let's see if today is another 5 for 5. I doubt it. It usually takes a lot for me to say, let's keep it all. And honestly, last month I contemplated for probably like half an hour before ultimately deciding like, let's just keep everything. Because it was ultimately cheaper to keep everything than just to keep the 3 items I wanted because of the way they do their discounts. So in here is also the invoice. Let's see, if I keep everything in this box, it'll be $158.50 for 5 items. So if you keep everything, you get a 25% discount, and then you do pay $20 per month, but that $20 is subtracted from anything you do decide to keep. So let's actually look at these clothes. This is what the bundle looks like. Okay, so she did mention there was a jumpsuit. I'm wondering if that's what this is. Oh, no, it is a top, but it's black. It is sheer. It looks like high in the front, low in the back, and there's these cute little ties around the elbows. This is cute. I'll definitely have to wear some sort of cami underneath it, but I'm digging this so far. The next item reminds me, it's quite a little bit like a 101 Dalmatians almost, except it might be hard to tell on camera. This is almost like a cream instead of a white. It looks like a long sleeve top. It is also sheer, and there's a tie front. The sleeves look like they're 3/4 length, and there is elastic on the end of them. This is also very cute. I do feel a little bit like a Dalmatian just looking at it. So we'll have to see how it looks tried on. The next item is another top. I'm digging the color. It's a little peasant-y. Those sleeves are fun though. And there is some fun detailing at the front with these little drawstrings. We'll definitely have to try this on. This is a cute spring top. I'm just less sure if I'm feeling it or not, but otherwise I'm happy with everything so far. I think this next item is the jumpsuit. Now let's see if it's short enough, because I have short legs. I'm long-waisted and I'm short legs. In a ratio to that, I always have to buy like short jeans to compensate. There is this little floral print that I'm digging. There are fun pockets. And then the top looks like this, which I know is really hard to see with this lighting, but we'll definitely have to try this on. And I just hope that the legs are short enough that I'll actually be able to wear this without dragging them everywhere, and not having to. Meow. Sorry, Sophie says hi, guys. She misses you. But anyway, yeah, so we'll have to see, make sure those legs are short enough that I'm not dragging them everywhere and then just ultimately destroying them every time I wear them. And then the last item is a pair of jeans. They do look like they're skinny cut, high-waisted. I am liking this detailing right here around the waist. They're actually like 2 different colored threads, each line, if that makes sense. And then there's also some distressing along the knees. And then at the very bottom, there's this interesting detail. We'll have to see how this looks. I do like this frayed edging on the bottom. But anyways, in just a second, we will go try these on. So I went ahead and started off with the romper. I figured I'd show you the top half first before I show the bottom half. I would actually probably wear this with a different bra. I do have a black, what's it called? Instead of being a normal bra with straps like this, it goes to the back and has like a lacy detail. Racer back sounds right. I'd probably wear that with a different bra, but otherwise, I am actually really liking the fit of this. I am liking the pattern. I'll go ahead and pan down to my legs here in just a second. So the legs are like borderline too long. Like I'm still probably gonna accidentally step on them if I don't wear heels with this thing. I do like jumpsuits. I feel like it's like really easy formal wear sometimes, depending on the look. It does have pockets, if you will, so obviously that's always a plus. But I love jumpsuits, they're easy. I wish I had one right now, and I'm really tempted to keep this. I'll have to see what the price looks like and kind of how everything else wears when I try that on to see whether or not I am going to ultimately end up keeping this one. But I do really like this, and God forbid if I ever go on a cruise again, this would be perfect for that. So here's the first top I tried on with the 3/4 length sleeves with the little tie detail on each end. So in theory, I like this top. I just think in execution, it's not as flattering as it could be. But this whole high in the front, loose in the back detail, I did tuck in the back when I was trying on these pants, and I think it actually looks less attractive or less flattering to my figure. Like I'm a teensy bit bloated right now thanks to all these quarantine snacks I've been eating, but I don't think it actually looks better that way. I mean, maybe a smidge of a bit better. I don't know. I'm just not super in love with this top. But I liked it in theory. Like I like tops like this on the little style quiz every day. Let's go ahead and talk about these bottoms. These are the pair of pants that they sent me here with the rest of the box. That was kind of a weird way to put it. I'll pan down to them in just a minute. So they're kind of stretching right here at the buttons. Like I said, I am eating a lot of extra snacks right now. I am still working, but I'm definitely doing a little bit of work from home right now, and that is a little detrimental to my figure despite also doing more yoga. So I don't really like that they kind of look stretched right here. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera. Another thing I'm a little hesitant about is this distressed / rip detailing around the knee. I walked and I could feel like the threads coming loose and breaking already. So I'm mostly just worried about the utility of these jeans as to how long they're actually going to last. They are a cute set of jeans, and I do love the length on them. I do think they ended perfectly. I do think these would look really cute with a pair of heels and that cute little lacy top that they sent me in my January box that would ultimately look great with a moto jacket if they ever send me one. But I'm not quite so sure about these pants or this top. Let's go ahead and try on one of the other tops. So here is the peasant top. I do love these sleeves. I'm not a super huge fan of just like the lifeless, formless feel, garbage bag type feel of the rest of this top. I think I'd like it better if it had some sort of like cinching, maybe around the bust line, like an empress line or something down here to give it a little bit more pizzazz. Yeah, I'm mostly just not a big fan of how boring this area is. I do really like this sleeves though, so I'll have to think about this top. Okay, the 101 Dalmatians top. So I do actually really like this top, regardless of the fact of the jokes I make about it. It does have this nice little like keyhole slip thing, whatever it's called. The only beef I have with this top is that it can be a little bit hard to tell on the camera. There is a seam line going down the center right here, which prevents me from being able to tie this any tighter to like accentuate my hips a little bit more, which is what I do prefer to do. I like to flirt the flaunt the curves. Quarantine's making me lose my mind. Yeah, so I do really like it. I just don't know if it's a keeper. Now that I've tried everything on, let's go look at the invoice and figure out what my final thoughts are. Okay, so to review, this top right here is $42. The dark pink top, Corns tie detail top. I might have to, wait a minute. I was having a hard time figuring out what prices matched up with what. So, okay, this is the Cassia tie front blouse, which, okay, I was correct, this is $42. The skinny jeans, those are the Brenda ankle skinny jean. Those are $58. The jumpsuit is $58 as well. I'm calling it a dark, I thought it was more of a lavender. They're calling it a dark pink top. The kind of peasant blouse, that's why I was getting confused. That is $42, and then the black top is $38. So honestly, if I'm gonna keep anything from this box, it's gonna be that jumpsuit, because I've been wanting a jumpsuit for a while, it's actually like basically the correct size for me. It's gonna be hard to find anything similar size, and if they continue to send me more jumpsuits, oh no, I need to keep more jumpsuits that I really like. Something Mike did point out, because I do a little fashion show for him while I'm trying all this on. He's like, this is just like that other top you have. And I was like, you're gonna have to be more specific than that. And he's like, you know, the orange one with the tie front, he's referencing the orange polka dotted one that I got in last month's box. And I think he thinks it looks similar just because they both have tie fronts, but he's not completely wrong. I'll give him that. But yeah, so if I keep the jumpsuit, that is gonna be $58. I was debating whether or not I wanted to keep this top. I wasn't super in love with anything else from this box, so I'll probably end up keeping the jumpsuit and sending everything back for a grand total of $58, minus, I guess, the $20 that I already paid, meaning it's a grand total of $38, but I'm still paying $58 overall either way. So yeah, anyways, if you made it this far into this video, thank you so much for watching. And please stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, social distancing, or really more, it's like physical distancing, I've heard some people saying, because you can still be social, just be social online, social from afar. Anyways, thanks so much. Consider liking, subscribing, doing all the happy Facebook algorithm things. This isn't even Facebook, this is YouTube. I need to sign off. Thanks so much, guys.